Question 5, sub-question 2 will start. 2 sin 7 pi by 2 sin pi by 17, 11 pi by 17 minus cos pi by 17 plus cos 7 pi by 17. So I'll just apply 2 sin A, sin B formula. So this is cos plus cos. This is A and this is B. So 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B. So pi minus 11 pi minus 10 pi by 17 and pi plus 7 pi 16 pi by 17 minus cos 5 pi by 17 plus cos 7 pi by 17. Okay. A minus B and A plus B. So cos of minus x is cos x. 10 pi by 17. 16 pi by 17. 5 pi by 17 and 17 pi by 17. Okay. So I think this should not be 16, this should be 12. Because when we add A and B, 11 pi plus pi is 12 pi. Okay, sorry. This should be 12, okay? Yeah. Now see, 10 pi plus 7 pi is 17 pi and down also it is 17. 12 pi and 5 pi is 17, so total is 17 and down also it is 17. So we'll group these two terms. Okay, it's a challenging problem. Cos 10 pi by 17 plus cos 7 pi by 17 because 10 plus 7 is 17 plus cos or rather this should be cos minus cos. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, 2 sin is cos minus cos, a minus b and then a plus b. So from these two terms, I'll just take minus sign common. Now within the bracket, cos 12 pi by 17 minus cos 5 pi by 17. Now see, what is pi minus 7 pi by 17? Pi minus 17 pi by 17 is 10 pi by 17. That's the reason why we just group this. Okay. Now second term we keep it as it is. Okay. Now this term cos pi minus 5 pi by 17. Because if you take the LCM over here, you'll get 12 pi by 17 minus cos 5 pi by 17. Okay. Now cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So if this is theta, so cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta here also. Okay. And if you take minus sign common over here, it is plus. Okay. So minus cos 5 pi by 17 and this is cos 5 pi by 17. Okay. The point I was saying is if you take minus sign common over here, the middle term will be plus. Okay. So see what is happening, the net effect. This and this is getting cancelled, this and this is getting cancelled. The answer is 0. Fine. Yeah. So let us go to the next problem. That is question number 6, sub question 1. Now cos 2 pi by 3 minus x 2 pi by 3 minus x. Okay, what I'll do is see a simple thing. Instead of doing compound angle, I'll make use of factorization, defactorization. Okay, you can also use compound angle to this term. That's not really a problem. So this I'll write it as cos x plus, I'll take the bigger angle first, 2 pi by 3 plus x, cos 2 pi by 3 minus x. Okay, so this is C and this is D, cos x plus 2 cos cos C plus cos D, 2 cos. So C plus D. So 4 pi by 3 divided by 2, which is 2 pi by 3, and C minus D, 2x upon 2, which is equal to x. Okay, now 2 pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3, 2 into 60, that is 120. Cos 120 is nothing but minus sine 30. Okay, so this cos 2 pi by 3 is cos 120, the value is minus half. You can do this on your own because that you know how to calculate. 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. Cos minus cos is 0. Okay, let's go to the next problem. That is question number 6, sub question 2. Cos pi by 8 plus cos 3 pi by 8, cos 7 pi by 8 plus cos, 5 pi by 8 plus 7 pi by 8. Okay, now pi and 7 pi by 8. If you add pi plus 7 pi, it will give you 8 pi. Down there is the same number. Similarly over here, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we have to group the first and the last term, second and the third term. Okay, and then that pi minus thing will try. Cos 7 pi by 8 plus cos pi by 8. Okay, plus cos 5 pi by 8 plus cos 3 pi by 8. Okay, now the bigger angle is 7 pi by 8. If I write 7 pi by 8 as pi minus pi by 8, that is mathematically correct because if you take LCM over here, you'll get 7 pi by 8. It's like that previous problem which we did. Okay, and this is going to be cos pi minus 3 pi by 8 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 3 pi by 8. Okay, now cos pi minus theta, this is theta, is minus cos theta. So the value of this will be minus cos pi by 8 and the value of this will be minus cos 3 pi by 8. The terms will get cancelled and then we are left with 0. Okay, yeah, let's go to question number 7, sub question 1. So if I solve 7 sub question 1, sub question 2, you can take it for self study. 4 sin x sin pi by 3 minus x sin pi by 3 plus x. Now this is multiplication. So we can break down this 4 into 2 parts. 2 into 2. I'll write the greater angle first. Okay, now I'll apply this formula. 2 sin A sin B, de-factorization formula. Okay, cos minus cos, A plus B. So this is 2 pi by 3 and first it is A minus B. 2 sin A sin B is A minus B first. So this will be 2x and then a plus b, 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now 2 pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3 is cos 120, and cos 120 is minus half this particular value. Okay. That value is minus half. Okay, you can do it on your own. Otherwise, calc is also there. So 2 sin x cos x plus half. Why plus half? Because this minus and this minus will be plus. Okay, right? So 2 sin x into cos x plus sin x. Okay, so one small thing. This is cos 2x. Okay, so I just have to write this as cos 2x. Now cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now why we are converting into sin is because the right hand side is a sine term, that is sin 3x. Okay, so we have to eliminate the cos terms. So I multiplied this. So 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x equal to sin 3x. So this is how we solve this particular problem. Next problem also you can do this on your own. The next sub question, I mean, it's pretty similar. Okay. Let us solve question number 8, sub question 1. Okay. If I solve question number 8, sub question 1, sub question 2 will be self-study. So cos x plus cos y the whole square plus sin x plus sin y the whole square equal to 4 cos square x minus y by 2. That is what we need to prove basically. So within the brackets, we'll apply de-factorization formula. Cos plus cos, 2 cos cos x plus y by 2, x minus y by 2, the whole square. Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos x plus y by 2, x minus y by 2. Take the squares inside. So 4 cos square x plus y by 2, cos square x minus y by 2, plus 4 sin square x plus y by 2, cos square x minus y by 2. Now you're going to take 4 cos square common. Okay. 1 second. 4 cos square x minus y by 2 will take common. Okay. So the red colored terms are the common terms. So 4 cos square x minus y by 2 within the bracket. This term and this term. So cos square x plus y by 2 plus sin square x plus y by 2. And cos square plus sin square is 1. So eventually you are left with this, which is the RHS. Okay. Let's go to question number 8, sub question 3. So left hand side is sin square x plus sin square x minus y minus 2 sin x cos x cos y into sin x minus y. Okay. So from here and here, I am going to take sin x minus y common. So sin square x plus sin x minus y is common within the bracket. Sin x minus y minus 2 sin x cos y. Expand this. sin square x plus sin x minus y. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, minus this minus 2 sin x cos y. Okay, so sin square x plus sin xy is y. Okay, now look at this particular terms, sin x cos y minus 2 sin x cos y. So this is going to be minus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, the remaining term. We can take minus sign common over here. Okay, so if we take that minus sign common over here, this plus will become minus. So sin square x minus sin x minus y into sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. We took the minus sign common. It was supposed to be over here, but then there was a plus over here. So minus into plus is minus. Okay. So this equal to sin square x minus sin x cos y minus sin x minus y into sin x plus y. Now this we have a direct formula. Okay. Sin square x minus sin square y. This was from compound angle. Okay. So this and this got cancelled. Minus into minus is plus. This is equal to sin square y. Fine. Let's go ahead with question number 9. Okay. So cos alpha plus cos beta cos gamma plus cos alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to cos alpha plus beta by 2, cos beta plus gamma by 2, cos gamma plus alpha by 2. Okay, so they require alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, so I'll group these two terms and these two terms, because if you subtract these two terms, gamma will go. You'll be left with alpha plus beta. Okay, so 2 times factorization formula. So this is C and this is D, and this is C and this is D. Okay, so 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus 2 cos C plus D. So alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2. Okay, into cos C minus D. That is alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus gamma is gone. Okay, so now we are left with this common terms. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 within the bracket cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2. Okay, now you apply factorization again. Okay, let's take this term as C and this term as D. There is minus sign in between, so we can play around with that. Okay, so 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into 2 cos C plus D. So when you add this and this, beta beta is gone. So 2 alpha plus 2 gamma by 2, which is equal to okay, I'll rather show you that C plus D. So C plus D upon 2, okay, or divided by 2. So beta beta gone. So 2 alpha plus 2 gamma by 2 divided by 2. Okay. So this 2 is gone. So alpha plus gamma by 2 into cos C minus D. Okay. Now this time it is minus sign over here in between. So when you subtract, alpha and alpha is gone. Minus into minus is plus. So this is going to be beta, or rather 2 beta plus 2 gamma by 2 divided by 2. Okay, now this 2 is gone after taking common within the box bracket. So beta plus gamma by 2. Okay, now this 2 and this 2 will be 4, hence proved. Fine.